I was struggling so much. Difficult to walk. My nose was always stopped up. I was coughing a lot all the time. I was not in great shape. If you go in the store and you try to buy healthy foods, it's extremely expensive.
Across the country, millions of Americans experience that same challenge, trying to cover basic expenses and still afford nutritious food. Because without enough food, or the right kind of foods, overall health and well-being decline.
6 out of every 10 Americans has at least one chronic disease, and frankly, many Americans have 2 or more.
Food as medicine are strategies or interventions that work alongside healthcare that give access to high-quality foods that are focused primarily on prevention, management, and treatment of disease.
One of these transformative interventions is a model called Screen, Refer, and Nourish, developed by Feeding America. Providers identify patients experiencing food insecurity, refer them to local programs, and ensure they receive the healthy foods that support their care plan.
We pride ourselves on partnering with the best nonprofits across the country at the national, regional, and local level. The Elevance Health Foundation has committed up to and beyond $150 million over the next 5 years, food as medicine being one of those.
Feeding America has an incredibly rich partnership with Elevance Health, and we began working together more than a decade ago. Since then, our partnership has grown to include the Food as Medicine program.
It's a 3-year grant program where we are improving healthcare outcomes by providing access to nutritious food.
And that local impact is multiplying across dozens of Feeding America partners in hundreds of communities nationwide.
Because of the grant from the Elevance Health Foundation, we've been able to distribute fresh produce, fresh groceries, and shelf-stable options, and it's meant the world to the community.
Behind every investment are the people and communities it impacts.
I really view food as an incredibly important leverage point to affect chronic conditions like high blood pressure, diabetes, high cholesterol, congestive heart failure, where you can alter the course of the disease through the nutrition of the food that you have.
And for so many, that difference is life-changing.
The program provides healthy foods. It's just fabulous because there's no way I can afford anything like that. I try to eat vegetables, fruit as much as I can, and of course the proteins. I'm getting back on the feet again.
Across the country, the Elevance Health Foundation and its partners are helping to change lives by improving access to nutritious food and creating better health outcomes.
I'm so thankful. I'm blessed.
It's the power of community, the power of food as medicine.